The EDAM program was one of the best things I could be looking into since I've always been interested in engineering and making new objects. And on top of that too, it offers me college credits and lets me get a step ahead in my education. I've always been interested in trying to learn more and push myself. There's no better way to do that than to jump into college early and actually start taking courses. Within the EDAM program of CCM, we do have a partnership with NASA. It's related through to the NASA HUNCH program, and that's a national program where they recruit high school students to help manufacture or design parts and machines that go up into the ISS. And currently, as part of the second year cohort of EDAM, we do the designing of components and other products for machines and objects that they want to send up into the ISS to help assist the astronauts in living there on a daily basis.